Hello students, now in this lecture we are going to study the different parts of compound microscope. In the previous class we have talked about the basic concepts regarding microscopy, and here we are with the parts of compound microscope. Now there are different parts present in the compound microscope. Generally these parts are also present in other microscopes, other light microscopes. As it is one of the light microscope, we will study or focus this light microscope, that is compound microscope. Now here the first part of the compound microscope is reflecting mirror. Now this reflecting mirror is used to reflect the light on the object. The object which we have placed on the slide, or whatever slide we have, and we want to see that object. On that object we can reflect the light with the help of this reflecting mirror. The second is condenser. Condenser is condensing the reflected light, so it focuses the reflected light on the object. The condenser has a diaphragm and it allows the required intensity of the light to pass through. So it allows the required intensity of the light on the object. Okay, this is second one, that is condenser. Next is objective lens. Now this objective lens and eyepiece lens, these are the two lenses which are used in the compound microscope. So this objective lens actually magnifies the object. Then the eyepiece is magnifies the image produced by objective lens. So these are the two lenses used. Next is body tube. It is a tube with the objective lens at the lower end, and the eyepiece at the upper end. So it is a part present in between the two lenses, that is objective lens and eyepiece. Now there is coarse adjustment and fine adjustment for the purpose of adjusting the or focusing on the object. So the first one is coarse adjustment, which is able to, with which we are able to move the body tube up and down rapidly, and we can thereby correct the distance from the object to get focusing. So it rapidly moves the body tube up and down, coarse adjustment. And about the fine adjustment, that is, it moves the body tube up and down slowly to make the exact focusing. So these are the two adjustments which are present in the microscope. One is used for the rapid movement of the body tube, whereas fine adjustment is used for the slow movement of the body tube up and down for making the exact focusing. So see, these are the different parts labeled over here. One is eyepiece, first one is eyepiece, then body tube, then you can see the coarse adjustment knob and fine adjustment knob here. And let us move to the remaining parts of the microscope. Now there is stage. So for what purpose this stage is present here in the microscope? For putting our slide or object on that stage. So it is nothing but the platform with a hole in the center. The light falls on the object through the hole. The slide is used to place on the stage. The slide we can put on the stage here, so that we can observe it from the microscope. Then stage clips are present. So these clips can be used for the holding purpose, holding the slide firmly on the stage. Clips are present on the both sides of the stage. Then there is nose piece. So this nose piece is in the form of a rotating disc having holes for fitting the objective lenses. So this nose piece is actually having the number of objective lenses on it, and we can rotate it as a disc, and by that rotation we can adjust our objective lens. So this is a very important part of the compound microscope. Then next is the arm. Arm is nothing but the part through which we can hold the whole body of the microscope, body tube, and also the coarse adjustment. So coarse adjustment we can do with the help of arm, and it is used for holding the microscope. Then there is inclination joint, which is permitting tilting of the upper part of the microscope, and we can adjust the level of the eye. So inclination joint is used for tilting the microscope. Then the last one is base or foot. Now this foot keeps the body in position. It is present at the base, and therefore it is known as base or the foot of that microscope. Okay, so these are all different parts of the microscope, compound microscope, and I hope you understand the whole topic. If you have not observed, if you have not watched the previous video, please watch that video so that you can understand the basic concepts regarding the microscope. Thank you.